Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice, and today we are going to be asking the question, when do beards fully develop?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Have you ever seen those kids, middle school, young, early preteens, middle teens, and you just notice they're sporting a mustache? Maybe not a full mustache, but you're definitely seeing a caterpillar starting to grow on their upper lip there. Well, this is the thing. When it comes to facial hair and boys growing up, to answer our question, when do beards fully develop? Well, we have to start out at kind of the early stages. Facial hair begins to grow around those first early stages. Pausing, because I just realized I'm probably misquoting that reference. Last stages of puberty, not early stages. All right, so this is after the introduction then. Have you ever seen those middle schoolers or those preteens walking around and I'm off today. It's a Wednesday. Have you ever seen those middle schoolers walking around and, early preteens and they're sporting a mustache? No, maybe not a mustache that's, full like yours, but at least a small caterpillar that's just kind of running across their upper lip there. Well, as a middle school teacher, I have a couple of students like that. I have a 6th grader who looks like he's getting ready to grow out a mustache. Here's the thing. For our question today about when do beards fully develop, we have to go back to the beginning of when the facial hair journey all began. Facial hair for guys really begins in those last few stages of puberty. That's when testosterone and everything starts kicking in and you begin to grow hair. I'm not going to go into details about that. You're all grown-ups, you know how that works, but it becomes visible on your face. They might be growing it mainly on their upper lip and starting to grow a mustache. Well, some people continue to struggle to have it, so maybe when you were younger, you didn't grow any facial hair when you were in middle school and high school. Well, when facial hair begins to become fully developed and it starts to get there and it starts to grow something fuller, there are most cases that we see that you will find that young men of 18 and around then will start to grow facial hair. Now, again, nothing long and big and bushy, but you can see that they have plenty of fuzz and they have a good layer of facial hair everywhere. I've seen plenty of high schoolers that if their school doesn't tell them to shave, they're gonna grow out some facial hair. It's a thing. Now, that's not always the case for all of us. I mean, I know for me, I didn't start growing out facial hair until later into high school and early college. I didn't grow my first full beard until a few years ago. There are plenty of cases where you might not have a full beard until you're in your 30s, and that is okay. You have to remember everybody's journey, everybody's story for their facial hair is going to be different. So don't feel ashamed if yours takes a little bit longer to grow out. Again, this kind of goes into the realm of what can you take to help the speed of your facial hair growth. Maybe this has to do with it's just patchy and you don't feel like it's a full beard. I mean, for me, I get patchy all the time. I have patchy cheeks, I have patchy underneath here, but I still think I have a pretty full beard. I'm not in my 30s yet. I would say that I'm in that pretty average area of between 18 and 30, your 20s. But either way, whatever your journey is when it comes to growing facial hair, you just have to know that it is your story. So, to summarize, when does a beard fully develop? Simply put, it can range from 18 all the way to 30. It is your beard, it's your story, and there's no shame in the timing that it takes. Enjoy the journey, guys. Now, I hope that this video is a little at least a little insightful on what you need to know regarding this question. If not, I'm sorry. Go ahead and comment down below. What are your thoughts? Do you still feel like you do not have a patchy beard? When do you feel like you had that patchy beard? I would say it was pretty early 20s for me. There are some people that, they're in their mid to late 20s and it's still not a thing for them. So let us know about your journey when it comes to a fullness of a beard. If you liked this video, please consider liking, comment down below your thoughts on everything that we've asked. And also, if you have not, please subscribe to our channel and toll the bell so you can get notifications whenever we do post. And as always, adventurers, may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune forever upon your door.